Hey everyone! I just stumbled across something pretty exciting. You can actually claim up to 5 Solana for free in just a couple of minutes. It's straightforward, quick, and open to pretty much anyone. My wallet balance was sitting at around 34 SOL. After following the steps, I noticed my balance climb up within minutes. The process is super simple. Go to the Airdrop page, hit Claim Reward, choose your wallet. I personally used Trust Wallet, then just click Connect and Confirm. One important detail: your wallet does need to have at least a little bit of SOL in it, since they're making sure people don't abuse the system. And that's it. Just a few minutes later, my balance jumped from 34 SOL to about 38 SOL. Honestly, I was pretty shocked at how smooth it was. If you're curious, definitely give it a try while it's still active. And let me know in the comments how much you managed to grab. It's kind of fun seeing those numbers go up.